Hold on tight, folks. Today we're unleashing an exciting clash of track car titans. ICE versus EV, gas versus electric. McLaren Solus GT and McMurtry Speirling go head-to-head in this battle for the crown of supremacy. Let's get to know our two contestants before the battle. Introducing McLaren's real-life video game sensation. Sounds like an old F1 car. McLaren Solus GT. This isn't McLaren's first track-only hypercar, but it has to be its most extreme. It's a real-life version of the McLaren Vision GT, which was created for Gran Turismo Sport. Yes, a video game. If you've ever played Gran Turismo, you've experienced what this car is like. And what it's like seems a lot like insanity. Introducing the next contestant, a car that needs no introduction, McMurtry Speirling. All-electric car that is considered the fastest accelerating car in the world. Can the underdog McLaren Solus GT beat the favorite McMurtry Speirling? Let's find out. The McMurtry Speirling is all-electric with two rear-mounted electric motors with no gears, while McLaren Solus GT comes with a 5.2-litre V10 engine linked to a 7-speed sequential gearbox. McMurtry Speirling roars with an astounding 1,000 horsepower, outmatching the Solus GT's 850 horsepower. The McMurtry Speirling further impresses with a whopping 1,400 Nm of torque, while the McLaren Solus GT falls behind at 650. When it comes to acceleration, the McMurtry Speirling reigns supreme, racing from 0 to 60 in a mere 1.4 seconds, compared to the Solus GT's still impressive 2.5 seconds. The McMurtry Speirling has the fastest acceleration in the world. Can you imagine a car that can go 0 to 60 in 1.4 seconds? That's insane. Let me drop your jaw by saying it can go from 0 to 100 under 2.7 seconds and 0 to 150 under 5 seconds. This car is out of this world. However, the Solus GT edges ahead in the top speed category, hitting a breathtaking 200 miles per hour, whereas McMurtry Speirling reaches a remarkable 190 miles per hour. With its electric powertrain, battery capacity of 60 kWh, and weight of 1,000 kilograms, the McMurtry Speirling generate massive 2,000 kilograms of downforce. Meanwhile, the McLaren Solus GT, weighing at 1,000 kilograms, creates a downforce of 1,200 kilograms. McMurtry Speirling generates this insane downforce with its fan system. It's something that is banned in Formula 1. Mounted behind the cockpit, underneath this panel are two fans spooling up to 23,000 revolutions per minute. You can literally turn it on and it creates instant downforce for the car about 2,000 kilograms at full speed. So let's put these two to the test and let's see who emerges victorious at the Goodwood Festival of Speed Hill Climb Shootout. The Goodwood Festival of Speed is an annual motorsports festival featuring modern and historic motor racing vehicles taking part in a hill climb and other events, held in Goodwood House, West Sussex, England, in late June or early July. It's McLaren Solus GT driven by Marvin Kirchhofer. McLaren Solus GT finishes in 45.34 seconds. Now it's McMurtry Speirling driven by Max Chilton.
Festival of Speed.
With a ridiculous 39.08-second run up the 1.16-mile driveway course, it broke the former Volkswagen IDR race car's record by nearly a full second.
I generally feel on cloud nine. I've never had such a great moment, I think, in motorsport. I know it sounds ridiculous because it's just a hill climb in a party, but it's an iconic event, and that takes real guts to be able to do that.
McMurtry Speirling is crowned the king of Goodwood hill climb.
To get the pressure off on the first run just allowed me on that second run to enjoy it. I was shocked I went quick on that last run because I fluffed a few corners, but yeah, hats off to these guys who are now soaking wet in champagne. They enjoy their drive back to Gloucestershire.
My dad got me into motorsport and he would love to have seen.
Brilliant, and to watch Max do that, I must admit I was a bit choked up. I knew he would do it, I knew he had it in it.
The drivers, Max and Alex, are something else. They're just robots. I don't understand how they're capable of doing it. We've done so many long, sleepless nights working on it, putting it together. Everything comes together at the last minute, and it just proves that it's all worth it.
We're like a team that we've been working together for like a year on it. They've been working 5 years. So much time and passion's gone into it. The weekend's just been building up, and then we had Alex Summers in the car yesterday that, you know, shocked me how quick he was and motivated me more than I knew that existed. I didn't expect that time to come out of it. Just beyond happy and just quite relieved that I can sort of still go out and push later on, but I don't have to do what I just did again.
Which car do you like the most? Let me know in the comments section. I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy these McMurtry Speirling clips, including 2023 hill climb untimed run by McMurtry Speirling in the wet. Almost as fast as in the dry, Max Chilton engaged cheat mode.